FactoryTalk quality includes predefined quality sample reports. I'll show you these reports after escalating and de-escalating the operator terminal quality recipe. The purpose of this quality recipe is to perform quality checks on operator terminal units. This quality recipe is comprised of two recipe plans. The first plan is the operator terminal test. This is a normal type plan that performs the three checks configured in this recipe: CPU alignment, CPU temperature, and screen light bleed. The second plan is the operator terminal escalation. This is an escalation type plan that performs the screen light bleed check at a higher frequency than the normal plan. Normally, only the normal plan is active. When the screen light bleed check fails, the system executes the escalation plan instead of the normal plan. When the escalation plan is executed successfully a certain number of consecutive times, twice in our example, the system reverts to executing the normal plan. Let's see the report created after the recipe plan has been escalated and de-escalated. FactoryTalk quality includes 4 out-of-the-box reports. In this case, we select the first one, which is the main one. Select the appropriate data for the date, time, and resource filters. Click View Report, and the report is generated. Here we can see that the first sample plan executed was a normal plan. As the screen light bleed check failed, the system created an escalation plan. In this first escalation plan, the screen light bleed check passed. 1 minute later, the system created another escalation plan, and the screen light bleed check passed again. As 2 consecutive successful escalation plans were executed, the system reverted to executing the normal plan.